kids, how are you? Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn the O letter, trace the words with images. Let's use these colors. Black color, yellow color, purple color, brown color, pink color. Let's start the video. All. What is this, kids? This is all. All. Orange. What is this, kids? This is orange. O R A N G E. Orange. Octopus. This is octopus image. What is this, kids? This is octopus. O C T O P U S. Octopus. Onion. What is this, kids? This is called onion. O N I O N. Onion. Orca. What is this, kids? This is called orca. O R C A. Orca. Green color. Okra. O K R A. Okra. Let's revise, kids. All. O W L. All. Orange. O R A N G. Orange. Octopus. O C T O P U S. Octopus. Onion. O N I O N. Onion. Orca. O R C A. Orca. Okra. O K R A. Okra. Okay, kids, please like my video, like, share and subscribe. See you in next video.